Chapter 2: The Right Way to Practice Listening, Step-by-Step Method. Now, let's talk about the most important part and the right way to practice listening. Because if you just play English audio and sit quietly, you may enjoy it, but you will not improve much. You need a simple method. Step 1: Choose easy and clear audio. This is very important. Don't start with fast movies or difficult conversations. Choose slow English, simple videos, or beginner lessons. If the audio is too hard, you will feel confused and stop learning. Step 2: Listen one time without subtitles. Just listen and try to understand the idea. Don't worry if you understand only a few words. This step is for training your ears, not for perfection. Step 3: Now listen again, but this time use subtitles. Now you will start connecting the sound with the written words. You will notice many words that you missed before. This step helps you learn faster. Step 4: Pause and repeat. This is where real improvement happens. When you hear a sentence, stop the audio and repeat it aloud. Try to copy the pronunciation and the speed. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just try. This will improve both your listening and speaking together. Step 5: Listen again without subtitles. Now, test yourself. You will feel that you understand more than before. This gives you confidence. Now, listen carefully. You don't need to understand everything. Even 20% understanding is a good start. Your goal is progress, not perfection. Many learners make one big mistake. They listen passively. They play audio in the background while doing other work. This is not effective. You must listen actively. Focus, think, and repeat. If you follow this method daily, even for 10 to 15 minutes, you will start seeing real improvement in just a few weeks. But wait, there is one more important thing. The type of content you listen to can change everything. So now the question is, what should you listen to if you are a beginner? Let's find out in the next chapter. Chapter 3: What you should listen to. Best content for beginners. Now, let's talk about something very important: what you should listen to. Because not every English audio will help you. In fact, if you choose the wrong content, you will feel confused, tired, and you may stop learning. So, what should you listen to? First, always start with slow and clear English. This is the most important rule. If the audio is too fast, your brain cannot follow, and you will feel lost. But when the audio is slow and simple, you understand more, and your confidence grows. Second, listen to beginner English lessons. These lessons are made for learners like you. They use simple words, clear pronunciation, and short sentences. This helps you understand easily and learn step by step. Third, listen to short conversations and daily life dialogues. These are very useful because they teach you real English that people use every day. For example, talking about food, school, shopping, or meeting friends. This type of content prepares you for real conversations. Fourth, listen to short stories. Stories are very powerful because they are interesting and easy to follow. When you listen to a story, your brain connects ideas, not just words. This makes learning natural and enjoyable. Now, here is a common mistake. Many learners start watching fast movies or difficult podcasts too early. They think it will improve their listening quickly. But the truth is, it only creates confusion. When you don't understand, you feel frustrated and lose motivation. Always remember this. You don't need difficult content, you need the right level. Simple content gives you confidence, and confidence helps you improve faster. And here is something very powerful: repetition. Don't change audio every day. Listen to the same audio again and again. One audio listened 3 times is better than 5 new audios. Each time you listen, your understanding becomes deeper. But now comes the most important part. Even if you choose the best content and follow the best method, you will not improve if you are not consistent. So, how can you stay consistent and see real progress? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 4: How to Stay Consistent and See Real Results. Now comes the most important part: consistency. Because you can know the best method, you can choose the best content, but if you don't practice daily, you will not see real improvement. Let me make it very simple. You don't need to study for hours. You just need 10 to 15 minutes every day, but with full focus. Yes, small daily practice is more powerful than long practice once in a while. English listening grows slowly, step by step. Many learners start with strong motivation. They listen for 1 or 2 days, but then they stop. Why? Because they feel they are not improving. They expect to understand everything quickly, but when they don't, they feel disappointed. Listen carefully. This is a big mistake. Listening is a skill, and every skill needs time. You must trust the process. So, what should you do? Create a simple daily routine. Choose one short audio or video. First, listen without subtitles. Then, listen again with subtitles. Repeat some sentences aloud. And finally, listen again without subtitles. That's it. Keep it simple and easy. And here is something very important: focus on small progress. Don't wait to understand everything. Notice small changes. Maybe today you understand a few words. Tomorrow, a few more. Next week, even more. This is real improvement. And one day, something amazing will happen. You will listen to English, and you will understand most of it without translating, without stress. And at that moment, your confidence will grow. You will say to yourself, "Yes, I can understand English." So don't stop, don't rush. Just stay consistent and enjoy the process. Remember, listening skills improve only with daily practice and the right method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Tell me what problems you face in listening English. I read every comment, and I will help you. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.